Let's go, guys. Bitcoin just did something insane. Bitcoin just did something historical, and of course I am going to reveal what that is, and more importantly, what is it going to mean for the Bitcoin price and the whole cryptocurrency space. Stick around for that, guys. Also, we're talking about the Pi cycle top indicator. There's a lot of talk about this indicator right now, predicting that we are about to reach the cycle top, and I'm going to let you know what I think about this as well. But yes, this is a warning for every cryptocurrency investor out there, so you need to know about this information today. Guys, we're talking about Ethereum, we're talking about Cardano, we're talking about traditional markets. Welcome back, everybody. My name is Cristiano, bringing you cryptocurrency videos on a daily basis. If you're new to this channel, make sure to activate the bell icon also after you have subscribed so that you get notified as soon as I release a new video. Right, let's talk about Bitcoin, guys, and let's talk about what happened yesterday. Yesterday, we did something insane. We did something historical as we closed a 6th monthly green candle. So this is insane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green candles in a row here. I am on the BLX chart. And if you go back through history, this has not happened since 2013. And of course, it's very interesting to see how did the price react after we had these green 6 green candles previously. Did we continue to go up or did we go down? So let's take a look at it. So if we go back to 2013, you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6th green candle was a very volatile candle, and then we actually, from the peak here, from the top, let's actually take it from the body of the candle, because this is where we actually closed that candle, and we had a pullback of 53%. Now, what I've been talking about previously, if you've been around, is I want us to right now consolidate in Bitcoin. So just understand that 2013, we had 6 green candles in a row before we had a pullback. The pullback was decisive. It was decent, but in the grand scheme of things, we had already gone up from $2 up to $250. So you do the math on that. But then this is the important part. After we had that pullback, we had another huge pump, 1,800% here in Bitcoin. Of course, this was very early days. So this is also what you need to pay attention to. Of course, the price is going to be more volatile. So what am I expecting right now for Bitcoin? So let's go to my regular chart, my support and resistance lines right here. And I'm going to tell you exactly what I think and hope is going to happen. Let's switch back to the 1 hourly candles. And yeah, we are consolidating right here. And this is looking kind of like a small diamond pattern actually. But here's the thing. I want Bitcoin to consolidate on longer time frames right now. I want Bitcoin to consolidate because I am expecting a double pump market this bull market. So what do I mean by that? If you look throughout histories, you got the bull markets in actually the start of the parabolic uptrend in the green boxes right here. And if we go to the weekly, you can see that traditionally, I mean, they have gone up very fast. I mean, you can see here, it went up very fast. Also here, it went up very fast in 2016, 2017. And now, so far, we have actually also gone up very quickly. But in 2013, you actually had a double pump market. So for those of you who have been around on my channel, I was hoping and actually expecting for a double pump market. And like you go up, you go sideways and down for a bit before you have that second big parabolic move to the upside. So this is on grander scales. This is on a macro scale, what we are expecting here on this channel. But having a pullback is also going to mean that you are going to reset many different on-chain indicators and price indicators as well. So this is why right now I want us to go sideways for a bit. I want us to consolidate in this vicinity. So if I go to my support and resistance lines again, I would love for Bitcoin to consolidate right here, because that means that we are not going to break all of the indicators telling us that we are due for a pullback. So consolidation is what I want to see. Now let's talk about those indicators. So the first one is obviously the Pi cycle top indicator, and this has so far been pretty accurate in predicting the end of the parabolic phase and the end of the bull market. So you can see the orange dotted lines. Actually, let me show you this. Can I do it? Yeah. So you can see that once the orange crosses the green from the bottom up, you can see it's slightly right here. This is where we had very close to the cycle top, okay? And so we enter into a bear market. This is 2013, as you can see here. And yeah, and then we have another big pump in the bull market here. You see that cross again right here, and that is also coinciding very closely to the top in the Bitcoin price. So we have another huge bear market. And again, in 2017, right here, you see it being crossed, and you also see it being the top of the bull market. Right, so let's continue. We are very close to crossing it right now. Let me zoom in. You can see that. Have we crossed it? Let me show you. Oh, this is very close. Have we crossed it? I don't think that we have crossed it. I could be wrong, but yeah, this is looking very close to being crossed. But the question is, of course, is it too late to reverse this trend? If we start to go down here a bit, and if we go sideways, I think that it's still too late to reverse this trend. So probably this is going to cross, and of course history can give you a clue as to what's going to happen. I don't think that it is necessarily going to happen every time, because this is just one out of many indicators. So even if this crosses, I don't think that you should bet the farm on the Bitcoin price going down, but this is something you need to pay attention to right now. I am still bullish on Bitcoin. I still think that we are going to have another big parabolic phase and move to the upside, and I want us to consolidate before that happens. I want us to go sideways for quite a while, and I know that's going to bore a lot of people, but it is going to be better from a more fundamental level, because when we look at the new pull, you can see that we do not want to cross into the blue area right here, and you can see that we were very close to doing it. Let me zoom in. You can see that we were very close to doing it right here. Since then, Bitcoin has been going down a bit and sideways, actually making also the new pull go down here. But if we have another big pump to the upside, this is also going to get into the blue area, which is traditionally, actually, it has told us to be very cautious, because once you've gone into the blue area, the Bitcoin price has been going down after that. So these two indicators is what's signaling a factor to be cautious about. But as I said, I do expect us to have a double pump market in this cycle. And so I don't think that this is over. So before we talk about Ethereum, if you want to get $200 for free on Bybit, Femex, and C-Trade, make sure to use these links. Sign up using my links. You're also helping out the channel, of course. So also, if you want to go full-time crypto, make sure to apply as a translator right here. We have found our Spanish guy already. So if you're speaking any other language, make sure to get into this link, get all of the information in here, and sign up as soon as possible if you want to go full-time crypto right now. Right, so let's talk about Ethereum. Ethereum is actually finding some resistance right here at my orange line, 1,945, but it had huge candles yesterday. And of course, we are bullish on Ethereum. We've been talking about Ethereum. Do not give up on it. The next couple of months are going to be huge. 5 days ago, also 1 day ago, Ethereum is going to do very well. And of course, you started to see the Bitcoin price go up. Also, Ethereum has been doing extremely well. Here's the thing though. We're coming from an uptrend. We're going down. You're making a second high and you're gone down. If we were to break this level, this is actually a textbook double top. But the good thing is that we actually found some consolidation right here. We found support. So this did not play out. So I'm happy for the Ethereum price that this did not go down further and break this trend line and execute that double top pattern. All in all, bullish for Ethereum. Cardano. So Cardano, this is just still playing games with us, guys. So you already know the drill, and I don't have any update, guys. It's just consolidating within these two orange lines. So I guess you can try to make a play here, you know, buy at the bottom or sell at the top and short at the top, buy at the bottom, whatever. Try to do that, because right now it seems like Cardano is just listening to me and it's playing games with me, because it knows that I have called for when Cardano makes a consolidation above this level, it is going to reach all the way up at $1.46. And likewise, if we go down here and consolidate in this vicinity, we are going to go down to $1.02. So it seems like Cardano is just playing games right now. But yeah, this is what I am watching. No update on Cardano. Traditional markets looking decent. Nothing to be worried about here on traditional markets, in my opinion. This is looking good for crypto. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope that you got value out of this video. I will see you in the next video.